Our final graph is y equals 2 minus the cosine of 3x, or another way to write this would be y equals negative cosine of 3x plus 2. So I can see that our amplitude is equal to 1. It is multiplied times a negative 1, though, which means that my graph's going to be flipped upside down. The period is going to be equal to 2 pi divided by 3. We don't have a phase shift. And then our vertical shift is going to be equal to 2. So to draw our graph, I have to make one complete cycle by the time I get to 2 pi over 3, which we don't normally divide our graph up into thirds, but I'm going to this time because it makes it easier. So I'm going to make 4 spaces stand for 2 pi over 3. That means that 2 spaces are pi over 3. Half of pi over 3 is pi over 6. So I'm really, if I was thinking of this in degrees, this would be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degrees, 180 degrees, and so on. So our cosine graph has an amplitude of 1. It's going to be upside down, and then it's going to be shifted up 2. So I'm going to do this one in pieces to kind of help keep it all straight. First of all, if I just graphed negative cosine 3x and ignored the plus 2 at the end for a moment, then I would start down at negative 1, go up to 0, up to positive 1, back to 0, and then down to negative 1. And there would be my cosine graph. If I wanted to extend that out on further, same thing would happen. 0, 1, 0, negative 1. And so there's our cosine graph. But our actual answer is supposed to be shifted up 2. So I'm going to take every point and I'm going to shift it up 2 units. And so I get the exact same graph, except everything is shifted up 2. So the red graph is my final answer for y equals 2 minus the cosine of 3x.